Hi guys, today's video is about the asking price. It's not the same as the market value of a property. If you're thinking of selling in Uitzicht or Bahrain Estate, the problem I found is many owners look at the online asking prices and assume that is their property's value. Now, reality is an asking price is not the same as a selling price. What really matters are the following: the actual registered sales in the area, the current competing listings, the days on the market, the property condition, and the buyer demand in your price bracket or area. Now, Uitzicht has full title homes and sectional title properties, which behaves differently. Also, Bahrain Estate have apartments and townhouses, also competing in different price bands. Now, my advice is before you choose a selling price, get a proper pricing view. Um, the right price protects your negotiation power, firstly. It also well, the warning is that the wrong price can cost you your first serious buyers. And they are normally the ones with the best offers. Send me your property address and I'll give you a practical view of where your property fits in the current market. Now, my valuation is not just a valuation, it is a proper report stating what the current value of the property is. It says whether it states whether you should hold a property, whether you should maybe rent it out, or whether you should sell it and invest the money. That is a proper next move report. But let's start by sending me the property address and I'll send you a report. Thank you. We'll talk soon.